Materials needed for our new library media center. This is Amanda Allen, and I'm going to show you all the things that I found that will be great for my new preschool library at the Early Childhood Center. So, after researching and talking to a few librarian friends, these were the vendors and jobbers that are favorites among librarians. So, these are the first five and why. So Demco, Baker and Taylor, Lakeshore Learning, Capstone, and Permabound are some favorites, as well as Amazon, Scholastic, the library store, Mackin Via, Bound to Stay Bound. And then here's five more. Junior Library Guild, Follett, Tidal Wave, Abdo, Gumdrop Books Canada, and EBSCO are all favorite vendors and jobbers that librarians use. So the first thing I thought of about the library is that I want to incorporate diversity and celebrate diversity with the children because it's important to celebrate diversity. When students work and learn with students from a variety of backgrounds and cultures, they gain a better understanding of the world around them. It promotes inclusivity and an awareness of the contributions of a range of learners. So that kind of goes along with our standards, and it just builds a sense of community among the library. And I chose all of these materials to help do that. There's a library kit has different fiction and nonfiction books in it that are all about diversity. And then this storytelling kit I thought was really neat. There's six different ones, and they're all multicultural. They have books that go along with them, and different cultures that have the different pictures of the characters from different places. And then the activity box here comes with all different materials that you can use to have different multicultural activities in the library, and that total came to $1,186. Then I would like to have a social emotional learning unit, and this can go on throughout the whole school year. It isn't just for pre-K, but kinder and first would really benefit from this as well. I love these cubes. They're conversation starters, posters to put all throughout the school, or if you just want to have them in your library. These mirrors that have the feelings and emotional moods, and then also here these the dough mats. They can create little faces based on the emotions and feelings that they have. And then this is a really cool kit. It's got it's a whole kit for supporting social emotional learning for pre-K, especially. It even comes with these little cushion seats for them to sit on in a circle and talk about all of these things together and read their books. And that totals $1,246.49. And I think flexible seating is definitely needed in the library. It creates a warm, inviting environment. It gives students a choice and allows them to wobble, rock, and lean. Movement increases oxygen to the brain, blood flow, and core strength. So I think just giving them that choice of where to sit and how to sit, to read their books and just sit and talk like these guys are on the couch, and the makerspace table, all different kinds of seating for the library. So we've got wobble stools, beanbag seats, foldable seats, an easy to clean couch that's made of leather that you can just wipe off. Lap desks, you can't really see it, but there's a girl sitting at a lap desk back there, and they're nice wooden lap desks if they just want to sit on the floor. And then these balance ball seats, all total to $1,954.37. Then I would love to host a parent night that's focused on technology, maybe even monthly in the library, to promote new technology programs, to get the families involved in their child's digital learning. I feel like it can help relieve some of that intimidation that new technology often creates with parents and students. And so, Tidal Wave has these really cool bundles of, they're like interactive ebooks, and they have all different kinds. And so I just chose three that look really interesting, like Sea Life and Symbols of America and Habitats, that are, science and social studies focused. I thought it would be fun for the students to kind of show the parents, and they can play on the interactive books together that night. and then different stations with different things going on. So iPads that have the Osmo little genius where they can create their own letters and watch it come to life and words and things. And then these coding mouse are so fun. They're programmable, so you can program them to go left, right, around, and it's just like the foundation of coding for the pre-K through first graders. These are amazing. I've seen them in action, and I would love to have some for my library. And I just thought it'd be fun to incorporate all this into a parent night so that the parents can really see, like, well, we've given all this money to the library. Where's it going? And just to encourage that technology. And so they can talk about it at home and know what their students are doing at school. And that is going to be a bigger total because it's all technology and technology is expensive. But $3,265.59. And then, of course, STEM is super important in the library to go along with our maker spaces. And I found these really cool, this cool table. Could only afford one because they're so expensive, but just to have one is awesome. It's just a space for them to they could stand and work on their maker space, and it kind of keeps everything contained. It has these little drawers that are really cool, and it has wheels, which you can wheel it wherever you want it to go. Super fun. And then I love this shelf. It's fully loaded with everything you might need for makerspace projects. And it's mobile on wheels too. So you can put it in a closet when you're not using it or bring it out whenever it's time. And you can just keep it replenished, once all of these things are used or get old, you can, just replenish as you need to. And they can make all kinds of different things with these, the cart. And that totals $2,344.99. And with a grand total, we have $9,997.34. And this will pay for new books, furniture, makerspace materials, technology tools, and decor for our new library at Media Center. And these are the resources I used. Of course, the textbook is so helpful for this course. And then all of the vendor websites that I actually ended up using were right here. Thank you so much for your time.